Log Hero makes Google Analytics into a powerful log analysis tool. First, users need to sign in. Here is the client ID, and give read and write access to their accounts. We use the access to select account and set up a web property with proper dimensions and metrics that will be used by Log Hero. Now a user should choose the plan. Here, choose a plan, and here user need to choose a client that he will be using on his website. We have WordPress plugin and PHP SDK. Next page, user can opt in for SEO performance email. And done. On a weekly basis, now we aggregate that data from the Google Analytics account and render the SEO performance email about log-based activity on the site. Thank you.